Hi, Annie Slater here. I'm an online business and marketing coach. I live in Queensland, Australia. I wanted to discuss with you a very interesting statistic today, and that's about how many millionaires that the internet has created in the last 5 years. It is in fact more millionaires than have been created in history, in the total of history prior to that. So that's a pretty powerful statistic. So really think about it. Every minute of every hour of every day, millions and millions of dollars are changing hands on the internet. So it really is an e-commerce miracle. If you're thinking about starting a business that you can run from home, it is a great way to give yourself or to build up freedom in your life. And just consider this, an internet business you can run from anywhere in the world. So if you decide today that you want to take a holiday, working holiday for 4 weeks next week, you can do that. You can take your laptop and your phone with you and operate from anywhere in the world. You can experience different cultures, different lifestyles, and all the time be working at your business. That's pretty powerful. You can't, like a normal bricks and mortar business, you can't pack that up in your suitcase and take it with you. The other good thing about an online business is that you don't have to employ staff unless you truly want to, and that's outsourcing, that's a whole different matter. So if you're considering starting an internet business and you want to know more, click on my website, come in, take a look at how you can get into a powerful, lucrative business that you can run from anywhere in the world. I'd love to show you more. Please contact me. And yeah, I'd love to have you on board. Okay, that's it from today. Over and out from Queensland, Australia. See you.